Hey everybody who's watching YouTube. You know, everybody needs a pet, or else you're going to get really lonely. I mean, cats are okay, but, you know, so many people are allergic to them. So, a rabbit, they die too soon. So dogs are like the best pets ever. I mean, personally, I have 3 of them. Really. Oh, don't look over there. Don't look over there. Oscar's pooping. Oh God, it's slimy. Oh, okay. Here it is. This is Oscar Mayer Weenie Dog. Don't look there. He's kind of not the smartest thing around, and when he sleeps, his tongue hangs out. Oh yeah. This is Low Belly. We call him Lobo for short. He tries to have sex with Oscar. Don't! He's really cute, and he likes to lick people. Say hi to the people, Low Belly.
He likes to bite a bird.
And now let's go pick up my last dog.
Last but not least.
Walker. He likes his toy bunny. So Walker, say hi to the people. He's kind of lazy. He's on meds. He has seizures. So, anyway, if anybody has any questions about my dogs, leave a comment. Please rate this video. So, San Francisco, this is Mark Rangers, and I'm Russell, and you are people!